Hi, I'm Brock Hansen with Starting Line Products, and today we're going to be showing you how to install our wheel adapters onto your RZR. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure the vehicle is on flat, level ground, and then take a jack and then lift the vehicle up. And then, of course, removing the tire would be the next procedure. Taking the lug nuts off and taking the wheel off. And then the next step will be to install the wheel adapter onto the RZR. So it's pretty simple. You just take it and slide it on. Some of them can be a little tight to fit on there because they're pretty tight tolerances, but they're designed that way intentionally. Sometimes you have to take like a rubber mallet or a dead blow hammer to pound them on there to get them to fit. And then you take the provided locking lug nuts with them and put them on there. Get all four of them started, and then you will go through like what we're doing here. We're taking the impact and running them down a little bit just to save time, but power tools are not required. You can do this all with the torque wrench. And then we're going through and checking them with the torque wrench. They torque to, in the torque procedure provided in your instructions, they torque to 40 foot-pounds the first time, and then you'll go back through and retorque them to 60 foot-pounds. This is important to make sure they are torqued on there correctly to make sure the spacers stay in place securely. And then of course the next thing after that would be to put your rim and tire of choice on the vehicle. You just slide them on. You just slide them on there, line them up with the lug nuts, or line the wheel up with the studs, and then proceed to install the lug nuts. And again, get all 5 of them started. And then we're using an impact to run them down to speed up the process a little bit, but again is not required. And then there's also a torque procedure on how to torque these in the provided instructions. They torque to 80 foot-pounds and then to 120 foot-pounds for the second torque. And if you have any other questions about this product or anything else, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website.